Every fuel will finish in the future, but wood is the fuel which can be reproduced. That's why we are using wood to produce heat energy. This is our economical water heater. We produce heat energy to use maximum energy in it. This is the ordinary water heater in which the produced heat energy goes straight through the here. But this is our economical water heater. We have given it a conical shape because of it absorbs a maximum quantity of heat energy. That's why the less energy is going west. Okay, this is our the water heater works in 3 chambers. This is the first chamber. Here we burn fuel, which is here the water absorbs maximum amount of energy. This is our next chamber. There is a conical shape. We place the coil there in a conical shape. The water flows from the coil and absorbs the heat energy. The latent heat is used absorbed by water in here. Here is a cylindrical chamber here, and the water absorbs the remnant heat there. And when the water from the chamber will come out, it is ready for the bath. This is our special nozzle for the oxygen supply on the fuel inside. When we close these doors like this, inside the vacuum is created, and that's why the oxygen is supplied from here. Concentrate on the fuel. When the fuel start burning, we can open this door for the maximum oxygen supply, extra oxygen supply. And after when the ash is collected in it, after sometimes we can throw the ash like this. This is our power spray, which is used to burn fuel in starting. This is the it works like this. Maximum fuel by using this economical water heater than any other water heater. Thank you. सर नाही सर, तिथे बाहेर चालले. अभी मोटर बनने वाली है।